Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that promises professional features in a compact package. This is a generic 4K professional GPS drone, coming in a sleek gray color and measuring just 5.11 by 3.93 by 1.96 inches when folded, making it incredibly portable. One of the headline features is the camera. It's advertised as a 4K camera, designed to capture every detail with clarity and vibrant colors. While the listing specifies a video capture resolution of 1080p and effective still resolution of 12 megapixels, the promise is still clear, sharp footage and photos for your aerial adventures. Connectivity is handled via 5G Wi-Fi FPV, allowing for seamless image transmission back to your device up to an impressive 600 meters. This range means you can explore a significant area while maintaining a clear view of what the drone sees, keeping you in control without interruption. Underneath, this drone is equipped with brushless motors. This is a significant upgrade over brushed motors, offering a quieter flight experience, a longer lifespan for the motors themselves, and requiring less maintenance over time. It contributes to a more reliable and enjoyable flying session. For navigation, the built-in GPS is a game changer, especially for those new to drones or wanting a more automated flight. Features like auto return ensure the drone comes back safely if the signal is lost or the battery is low. The Follow Me mode is great for capturing dynamic shots of yourself, and Waypoint Flight allows you to pre-plan a route for the drone to follow autonomously. These smart navigation features really contribute to a hassle-free flying experience. The description also highlights a long flight time and extensive control range, encouraging users to adventure further and capture more of the world around them. Coupled with its beginner-friendly nature, app control, and long battery life, this drone positions itself as an accessible yet capable option for adults looking to get into aerial photography and videography or upgrade from a basic model. Its compact size, when folded, makes it easy to carry to your next location, ready to launch and capture stunning perspectives. Overall, it seems designed to offer a blend of performance and user-friendly features for capturing high-quality aerial content.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.